Okay guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 1950 Styleline convertible Chevrolet. I have not touched it up yet or anything. I knocked the barn off of it and cleaned it up a little bit, vacuumed the inside. I still have to clean the seats. I got to do a little touch up. But this car is very cool. It's got a 2000 Ram Air Trans Am, all aluminum, LS motor in it. It has a 4L60E trans. It has disc brakes on the front and a 10-bolt rear. It does not have power steering. The car steers great. It's tight, but it's far from hard. Car stops good. The chrome is in great shape. The chrome is pretty straight. The stainless is in nice shape. Like I said, it's an older paint job. We're going to call it weak. I'm going to see if I can. The top's not horrible, but it's not great in a couple spots, but the top of it doesn't leak. I'm gonna see if I can clean that back window up. This car's a lot of new stuff on it. I'm kind of confused by the story the guy gave me, because I kind of feel like the car hasn't been driven very much since this work's been done, but the work's been done for a long time. And I'll show you the motor in a minute. I'm going to show you the frame is excellent. The floors are in good shape. There's a couple very minor spots, but the frame is amazing. The like I said, the body mounts and stuff. This is a very interesting car, and it's had a lot of work done on it. A very cool car. Something needs to be done with the door panels. You know, obviously get a horn cover, some little things. But like I said, the stainless trim is in really nice shape. Like I said, got the LS motor in it with the Overdrive trans. The AC will work. The compressor is not wired up yet, but the AC plumbing's all ran. So basically you need to wire up the compressor, and hopefully it'll work and everything will run. But you can see the condition of the heads and the block. This motor, they claim it has next to no miles on it, that this car was, whatever it was, wrecked or whatever back in 2000. So, you know, the motor and tranny supposedly don't have no miles on them. The lights work, headlights, brake lights, tail lights. I got that stuff working. I've got a trunk lock for it. I'm going to try to clean that back window. It has a new gas tank in it. It has a aftermarket wiring kit. I'm going to try to get that trunk lock put in it and that back window cleaned up. And I'm going to drive it. And do your research on how hard these are to find. I've had two 1950 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 convertibles, and it was funny because when I had them, you know, the people went crazy trying to figure out if they were Chevys converted or if they were Oldsmobiles, because a lot of people did that back in the day. Driver quality paint. Once I touch the paint up, it'll be even better and clean it up a little bit more. The seats are actually decent and in good shape. I think you would possibly maybe do some door panels. I may end up just dyeing the door panels, but a super cool car. And you know, I'll put a price on the still ad, but this car is not cheap. It's not going to be cheap. And out of everything I own right now, this is probably the least thing that I'm in a hurry to get rid of. So out of all the cars. So, and after I put some cruise time on it, if it drives as good as I think it's going to, I'm probably going to be less apt to want to get rid of it. But there'll be a price on the still ad. Serious buyers who have been shopping them and know what they're worth, I'm going to be cheaper than any probable market. But you can call me. We're not playing the texty text show, the low ball offer show. If you're really interested, call me. We'll talk about it. Anyways, there you go. LS Overdrive, 10-bolt rear, 1950 Styleline.